Hello and welcome to Loadium Tutorials. Today's tutorial is about how to create and run a JMeter test. In your Loadium account, navigate to Create Page. Here, choose the JMeter Test option. Enter a name for the test. You can upload your JMeter script file here in the Upload section. You can also upload CSV and other files such as JMeter properties and JAR files. If you are using CSV file, you can optionally choose to split it to provide a flow of unique values to each load generator. In the configuration section, you can set up your load generation. Depending on the load type, you will have options to determine the load behavior for this test. After that, you can choose locations to determine where the load should be generated and from which provider. You can combine multiple locations to run at the same time. You can choose the number of engines to run from each location. You can add notes or descriptions for your test. You can choose to send an automated email on certain conditions. And there are also optional advanced settings to configure your test further. After you've finished this process, you can save and run the test. Pressing Run will initiate the servers, and after a short time, your test will be started and the load will be generated. This is how you can create and run a JMeter test on Loadium. For more guides and information, you can check out our YouTube channel or visit loadium.com. Thanks for watching.